Hello everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to change the name of your Weverse account. It is a very quick process and takes less than a minute. Before we start, I really wanted to ask for your help to subscribe to my channel and like this video. This really motivates me to bring more content like this to you. Let's start the video. Let's open the Weverse app. Once you open the home screen, you must click on the three dots in the lower right corner of the screen. In More, after doing this, click on the settings icon, which is a gear at the top of the screen. Here all your account settings will appear, so you can configure your account in different ways using this tab. The next step is to click a white button under your name in Account Settings. Notice that your browser will open. It will open a page where you can change both your username and your name as well. As you can see, it is possible to change the username, the normal name, and the password too. So on this page, you can configure everything and change your name to anyone you want. To change your name, enter your current name and below enter your new name. To save the settings, just click the Save button. The same applies to the other options. For example, the username or password, you will need to enter your current name and then your new name below. After making all the changes, just save and return to the application. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time.